Hi, let's talk about how to get enough protein on an alkaline diet. And there's a really simple answer. I mean, say you need 60, 70 grams of protein a day. You can get that easily if you have the combination of protein combining, the grains and the beans, or the dairy with the grains. Dairy with almost anything makes a complete protein. Beans, of course, are a great protein. Things like hummus that are seeds and beans, they're a great protein. There's a certain misconception about the alkaline diet in that people think you shouldn't have any protein. All protein is acid forming. However, it's only acid forming if you have an excess. So if you're eating too little protein, it's not going to be helpful. You need enough protein to replace your tissues. We say maybe 60, maybe 70 grams of protein a day. Some people may be able to do with a little bit less, but the way an alkaline diet is not necessarily a vegetarian diet. Many of my clients and myself, we tend to eat maybe one small serving of fish, chicken, or turkey, and then one serving of beans a day. If you can use any dairy, any yogurts, that is also very good. So it's not too hard to do. If you say you're not going to eat any meat foods or any dairy, then just look carefully at the protein combining and make sure you get at least 2 servings of beans a day with the grains, that you have the complete proteins. And there's several charts on this protein combining with the grains and beans and the nuts and seeds and all those sorts of things. Excess protein is the problem, not moderate protein.